Hello all, welcome to Mom's Walk. So since we are celebrating the World Breastfeeding Week that started on August 1st until August 7th, we are celebrating it. So I thought let me post something related to breastfeeding in our channel. This video will be discussing about how to express and store breast milk after you have returned to your work, that is after your maternity leave. Most of the mommies knew this. It is essential that the baby drinks only the breast milk for the first 180 days, that is for 6 months. Even water is not required for your baby in this period. Why only breast milk? It is because it is very easier for your baby to digest, and it has got all the nutrients, all the calories and fluids that your baby needs, and it has got growth factors for best development of your baby's organs, and also it protects your babies from many infections. I returned to work after 6 months of my delivery, but then I started expressing milk ever since my baby is just 7 days old. Why did I express so early? Because what I do is every day in the morning around 4:30 a.m. I express a bottle of milk and I give the baby to my mom along with the bottle of expressed milk, so that I can take a good sleep for around 2 to 3 hours. So around from 5 a.m. to 7 to 8 a.m. I can have a good sleep. So this mainly avoided me from the postpartum depression. So after the delivery, our lifestyle changes completely. We'll never have any time for relaxing, to sleep, or even to have a good bath time. So many of our ladies, we suffer from postpartum depression. So to avoid that, I needed a good sleep for around 2 to 3 hours at least. So what I did is I started to express milk and I will give the baby to my mom early in the morning so that I can have a nap. I did not use any electrical or battery operated breast pump for expressing milk. I used only the manual ones. So this is what I used, the Philips Avent manual breast pump. That is what I used. So it was quite convenient for me. So how do working moms express and store milk usually? They'll be using an electrical or battery operated breast pumps along with some storage bags. So this storage bags, it will come with the storage bottles and also the coolant. The coolant will keep your milk cool until you reach your home. As you can see, this process is quite costlier compared to what I did to express and store milk. Breast milk is very essential for your baby. Until the baby turns 1 year or 2 years, it is very essential. But do we have to invest so much for expressing and storing breast milk? So I thought in a slight different way and a smarter way, I would say. I came up with a solution which reduced around 80% of the cost in buying the electric pumps and the storage bags. So this is what I did. So how I expressed and stored milk is that, first, as I told you, I only used the manual breast pump. It was quite convenient for me because I pump only once or twice a day. That was sufficient for me. And then I used the therma bags along with the gel coolant. So these gel coolant, you will usually get it with some vaccines. Therma bags, it is around 500 to 1000 rupees, and the gel coolant bags, you will usually get it in all the pharmacies. And then I used some storage bottles from PGN. That was also quite convenient. So you could go through this slide on how to store your breast milk that you have expressed. What I usually do is I express on the first day at office, and evening I come and store it in fridge. The very next day it is thawed and it is warmed and it is given to the baby. So I did not actually freeze it, I only refrigerated just for a day. So how to freeze your breast milk? You can just freeze it in any airtight container or plastic breast milk storage bags. You can either store it in the fridge or in the freezer. If it is stored in the freezer, then you have to thaw your breast milk. How do you thaw? You have to thaw it by keeping it in the refrigerator overnight, and then you have to place it in a warm bowl, and then you have to run it in the warm running water. So that is how you thaw your breast milk in case if it is kept in the freezer. If it is only in the refrigerator, then you just need to warm your breast milk. For that, you just need to swirl your bottle and then place it either in a warm running water or in a warm water bowl for a few minutes. These are some of breast milk don'ts. You should never microwave the breast milk. You should never heat it in a pan. You should never refreeze the thawed breast milk, and you should not add warm breast milk to the chilled one. So I have told you about how I expressed and stored the breast milk. Hope it is very useful to the moms who are working, or even if you are at home, do have a manual breast pump so that you can overcome the postpartum depression and you can get a sleep for at least 2 hours. So hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching our video.